Hey dolls, it's Queen and you're watching the Queen Cantor Vlogs. And for today's video, I'll gonna do my long overdue unboxing of the gifts that I got last Christmas 2024. So without further ado, let's open these gifts. So the first one that I got is a bucket cup from one of our Christmas party event. Thanks so much to my Agri fam. The next one that I got is a gift set from my ate Rachel. She also gave me a lotion, so let's try to open this box. I got a shower gel and a comb. Thank you, ate. The next one that I got here is the one that I'm also excited about. It is from my ate Michelle, my cousin. And I'm so happy to receive this because my ate gave me a bag. Syempre talaga namang magagamit ko yung bag na ito and I really love the color. And just look at my reaction guys kasi naman, meron pang kasamang makeup sa gift ni ate. So heto na nga, mag-e-eme-eme muna ako using this bag. O diba dolls, ang ganda niya tignan and it's from Boston 10. So thank you so much ate for this. Iisa-isahin ko na rin ang mga makeups na binigay ni ate coming from the different brands. Merong lipstick, merong blush, at syempre yung blush, favorite shade ko pa. So, itatry ko talaga to guys kung gaano siya ka-pigmented at mukha namang ang ganda kasi napaka-fresh lang tignan. At may L'Oreal foundation pa, so thank you so much ate. For this huge one, I'm so excited to open it. This is from my student and I literally don't have any idea of what's inside this paper bag. So, let's unbox it. At syempre, hindi ko talaga malalaman kasi naka-stapler lahat ng paper bag. And heto na nga dolls! It's another bag and it's color pink! Wow! I'm so happy to receive this bag coming from my student. She's Valerie. At meron pa siyang keychain. Meron rin siyang long strap na pwedeng gawing shoulder bag. I'm really grateful for this gift of my student. So thank you so much. At heto na nga, ang pinakahihintay ko sa lahat. The gift coming from no other than myself. It's a light stick from SB19! Let's open the box together, dolls. And yan na nga! Ang ganda! Kompleto na rin ang package nito, dolls. Meron siyang charger. May kasama rin itong light stick chips at saka ang kanyang manual. Yung mga chips na ito ay pwede ipalit sa gitna ng light stick. At heto na nga ang matagal kong pinapangarap, ang light stick ng SB19! At kita niyo naman dito, dolls, ang iba't ibang kulay ng kanyang light stick. May blue, meron ring red, may dilaw, may green, may purple, at meron ring white. Nilong press ko lang ang top button para ma-off. So ayan nga dolls, pwedeng palitan ang chip sa gitna. Kompleto ito sa pangalan ng Mahalima at meron rin siyang strap. Meron rin itong chip ng SB19 at logo ng 18. So far, kung sakto ang pagkakalagay mo ng chip, hindi naman ito nahuhulog. As a fan of SB19, my heart is definitely happy to have this light stick. At pahabol, may 500 ako from my auntie. That's it for now, dolls. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon!